In this video, we're going to show you how to create a preset. A preset is an optimization that comes in handy when you're creating multiple proposals that all use the same or a very similar set of chapters. You'll start in the document project screen, click the Pick Documents, and this is where we decide what chapters are going to go into all of our proposals. So let's say we're going to click a cover letter, title page, executive summary, maybe a cost summary, a list of services, company history, back page. Now we'll add a couple specialty topics. We'll just scroll down our list of options here. Let's say we're doing an accounting proposal. Go to the finance, insurance, legal section, and we'll just pick a couple, say accounting, to talk about accounting services, and maybe payroll. So now that we've added 10 chapters, we don't want to have to come back and do this whole process of finding and checking off all these chapters every time we're going to create the same kind of proposal for creating multiple proposals. So now that we've selected our templates, we'll click this Presets tab. Oh, to give this preset a name, we'll just call it My Proposal Layout. Click the Create New Preset button. Now this preset is in our drop-down list. So now in the future, every time we create a new document project, click the Pick Documents button, we can go straight to this Presets tab, select our custom preset, click the Load Templates button, and our project will be loaded with this set of chapters we've selected. Another optimization is to click the Auto-Populate button here. This will auto-populate every future proposal without having to come back and select the preset. The preset will automatically be selected at the time you create the new projects. So I'll show you how that works real quick. We're just going to skip creating the actual document for this project. Now that we've got the preset saved, in the future, we're going to create a new proposal. We'll add a new project. Click the Pick Documents button, and you'll see it's automatically selected the same set of chapters without even having to go select them individually or even select the Presets tab. And that is one of the optimizations to help speed up creating future proposals. Click subscribe to keep up on the latest proposal writing tips with Proposal Kit.